Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix GTA 5. Your saved data could not be downloaded from the Rockstar Cloud server error. Alright, so first up, what you're going to do is just close Rockstar Games, Steam, or it could be Epic Games right here in the taskbar. Okay, make sure that it is running. If it's running, well, right click exit, same as for the launcher. Okay, once that's done, go ahead and open up your File Explorer and then find the document section. If you can't find it, well, just go ahead over to local disk C, then users, your username, and find documents. Double click. Now here, go and find Rockstar Games. Double click. Find GTA 5. Okay. So let's say you have GTA 5 right here, and you'll also have a folder named Profiles. Okay. So what you're going to want to do is just right click on Profiles, create a backup if you want to, paste it on your desktop, and then go ahead and delete this one. Once that's deleted, go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, everything should work perfectly fine. Now that is it. That's how easy it is to fix this error in your GTA 5. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.